Hello, this is a tutorial for my this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box, a bow with a new cannon mechanism or more of a technique. So, however, start off with a 4x6 base plate. Under I put some legs. Do that if you want as well. And then a 4x1 smooth here. And build a wall if you want. Two 1x6 on top of each other. Here, two 2x1s. Simple as that. You take a 2x1, and the 2x1 on top of here needs to be 2 holes, or you can have 1 hole and just a regular 1x1, but the hole needs to be on this kind of side, not in the middle. So you're gonna put it here, and you need this kind of technique piece, 3 holes. I think it's 3, yeah, it's 3 stud as well. And you know, well, I use one of these gray because it will rotate much smoother. So, however, put it here. So you see it rotates pretty good. Here are 1x2, and I have a 2x2 flat. It's probably the best way to build you can build a regular 2x2 and then a 2x2 smooth, but I think everything will work much better with a 2x2 here. Yeah, so then you're gonna take a 1x1 and a 1x1 with a holy and a 2x1 on top, like that. Inside here, don't forget to put a 2. Sorry, there. The price is on a 3x1 and also 1x1, and here's your money. And if you would like me with this kind of 2x3 smooth area, take 2 3x1s, put them right here. They will stack down because there's studs here and the roof and you know what. And then here's the price. And you probably can see how it works, but I'm gonna show you. Here's the key. Push at this. It's come out. Simple as that. Now here you want to take 2 1x6 on top of each other. See how that works. Okay, so now you want to take 1x2 for 2x2 smooth on top here, and then I'm gonna take 1x4, 1x1 stud here, 1x2 here, take a 1x2 here and a 2x2 on top, like that. Alright, we're gonna build something here first. Take 2 1x2s and 1x2 smooth. Make 3 of those, because you wanna put them all around here. And then you can put here. Make another one of those, but like mirrorized version, no, opposite. So it looks like this. Same place, other side. And this is 2x4. Smooth is on top. You need this kind of grab hook thing pieces. You can make something else, maybe find out another way if you're not having it. But then you need kind of 1x2 sticking out and a 1x1 stud. This is a solution to get it much thinner, if you know what I mean. However, with this piece, it will be here, and it can't come out if you don't open these. Or slide these. Alright, down here, take this couch slash sofa piece, put it down there. Here's the place for your key. Then you take just 2x4s. And if you want, you can put your own design or something on top here. Use just a simple pattern. So that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching, and hope you will. Bye.